Migration. What is migration? It is the seasonal movement of a population of animals from one area to another. Why do animals migrate? Migration may be due to changes in temperature, food supply, or the amount of daylight, or for reproductive purposes. What types of Illinois animals migrate? Mammals, birds, fishes, and insects are groups of animals in Illinois that include migratory species. Birds. More than 1/3 of the world's birds migrate. Birds migrate during the day or at night. Daytime migrants are generally large or are predators. They use rivers, sea coasts, mountains, and lakes to help them find their way to the overwintering location. Songbirds migrate in darkness. Their daylight hours are spent searching for food and resting for the next leg of the trip. The position of the stars and moon in the Earth's magnetic field are used to help these species navigate. Illinois bird species show several types of migratory patterns. Some Illinois summer bird residents that migrate south for the winter include the mourning dove, blue-winged teal, ruby-throated hummingbird, killdeer, and turkey vulture. Other bird species such as the snow goose, yellow-rumped warbler, and rough-legged hawk migrate into the state to spend the winter months. Many bird species, like the greater yellowlegs, migrate through the state but do not live here. Insects. Some insect species migrate too. Our state insect, the monarch butterfly, is one of them. Monarchs from east of the Rocky Mountains in the United States and southern Canada travel from their summer habitat to their overwintering grounds in Mexico. Other butterfly migrants in Illinois include the painted lady and buckeye. These butterflies leave Illinois in the fall for more southern states. Fishes. Many fish species migrate. Their migration may occur daily, annually, or over a period of several years. Usually, fish migrations are for feeding or reproductive purposes. Some fish species migrate from one freshwater habitat to another, usually for food or reproduction. For example, the shovel-nosed sturgeon lives on the bottom of large rivers and streams. However, it migrates upstream and to the surface of the water for spawning, where its eggs have a better chance of surviving. Other fishes migrate from freshwater into the sea to spawn. American eel adults migrate from freshwater to the Atlantic Ocean, where they reproduce and die. Their eggs hatch to a larval form that takes 1 year to reach the coast of North America. The larva transforms 2 or more times before becoming an adult. Males remain in streams along the coast. Females move upstream and may stay there for 15 years before returning to the sea. Mammals. Illinois' migrating mammals are bats. Some bat species leave the state in late summer and fall for locations further south. The eastern red bat migrates throughout autumn, moving at least as far south as the Ohio River. Other bats pass through Illinois on their trip either farther north or farther south. Sometimes these bats can be found in summer and winter too, but not in great numbers. The silver-haired bat is mainly found in Illinois during its migration to and from the northern United States and southern Canada. Not all bat species in the state migrate, however. Some bats have adapted to winter by hibernating in caves and other locations. Bat species migrate or hibernate due to the lack of their food source, flying insects. Many hazards are present for all migrants. Nocturnal and low-flying migrants risk flying into human-made objects like tall buildings, power lines and towers, windows, and aircraft. Other constructed objects such as dams can block migratory routes. Songbirds may encounter resident or migrating predators. Habitat destruction and pollution are also migrational hazards. Storms can kill migrants. Hunting seasons are established for some species during the fall migration. Even though these birds are harvested, hunting is only allowed within the limits that a population can withstand.